Bonjour, c'est Claire at Clearly French. Today we're going to have a look at 21 false cognates or false friends between French and English. They're those annoying words that look the same, so you think they mean the same, but they don't. Let's start with actuellement, which does not mean actually, it means currently. If you want to say actually, use en fait. Un avertissement is a warning. If you want an advertisement, it's une publicité. Assister à is to attend, like to attend a meeting. To assist is aider. Blesser is to injure someone. To bless is bénir. Une caméra is specifically a video camera. If you want a camera, it's un appareil photo. Un coin is a corner. And a coin is une pièce de monnaie. Compréhensif does not mean comprehensive, it means understanding. If you want to say comprehensive, use exhaustif. Un conducteur is a driver. If you want a conductor, it's un chef d'orchestre. Une déception is a disappointment. A deception is une tromperie. Demander is to ask. This is very common. To demand is exiger. Éventuellement is possibly does not mean eventually. Because eventually is finalement. Une fabrique is a factory. A fabric is du tissu. La lecture is the action of reading. A lecture is une conférence. Une librairie is a bookshop. A library is une bibliothèque. Passer un examen is to take an exam. It's not necessary to pass it. If you want to pass an exam, it's réussir un examen. Un préservatif. Be very careful with this one. I hear it all the time and it makes people laugh. It's a condom in French. If you want a preservative, it's conservateur. One of the most common false friends is rester, which means to stay. For to rest, use se reposer. Résumer means to summarize. Whereas if you want to say to resume, you have to say reprendre. Sensible means sensitive. It does not mean sensible. If you want to say sensible, then use raisonnable. La sympathie is friendliness. If you want sympathy, use compassion. And finally, le travail is work. It's not travel. If you want to say to travel, it's voyager. Remember to claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. And also check out my Parler Français Level 1 to 3 course to speak French fast. You can download a free sample of each level at the link below.